Hi, this is Ari, and in this video I will be demonstrating my back-end web application called Momentum Investments, where a user can compare the return of different stock tickers based on a particular time period. And the application effectively uses PostgreSQL for databasing, Express for routing, and connects as an ORM to bring everything together. So we're going to go ahead and get this demonstration started by clicking on the website. See here, once you land on the website, the landing page brings the user to gives the user two options to sign up or sign in. You can sign up and bring out this form and enter that information, but if you've already have your info, you can go ahead and sign right in, and I have, so I will go ahead and do so. Now, once the user sign in, they bring them to this dashboard where they are prompted to enter any three particular stock tickers they're interested in. So, say I was interested in seeing how Sprint compared to, say, AT&T and say Verizon, and I want to know how they did in the last month. And click on the Analyze button. The web application makes a call to the Marquee API. We take those numbers, crunch them inside of our JavaScript file, and effectively come back to show how each stock did based on that time frame. So for one thing to note here, the stocks are brought up in order from greatest to least, and looks like AT&T did the least worst this last month. It looks like the market isn't doing too well as compared to the other telecommunication companies. Now, say as a user, I wanted to save this particular search, and so that I don't have to keep entering it every time I brought up the website. I can go ahead and click Save, and here I can enter the name this particular portfolio, which I'm going to go ahead and name telecommunications, and then click on Save. See, we're brought back to the dashboard, and up here, if you noticed, we have a couple of other tabs for the user to use. In this case, the one I want to bring your attention to is the Portfolios tab, where that telecommunications portfolio has been saved in the database. Now here I have another search I've done where I ran a couple of tech stocks, Amazon, Apple, and Google, and say now I wanted to see how they did year to date. And I click on the Analyze button. Once again, the application will run through, crunch the numbers, and let me know. And it looks like Amazon is the winner, having earned quite a lot in the last year, versus Apple, who I've heard recently his earnings report didn't do too well. So it makes a lot of sense that they're not doing too hot right now. So this application uses all the standard CRUD standards for data. So say if the user clicks on their profile information here, they can edit that information, update it, and say for example I want to use my full name this time instead of just my nickname, and say I want to change the password as well. I'm capable of doing that, as well as adding more to my profile. See here, that information's been updated, and if I wanted to go to the settings and delete any of the portfolios, like the tech stocks we just saw, I can go ahead and do that. I can delete my account, but I'll hold off from doing that for now, and click on the Momentum Investments tag on the upper left hand side to get back to the dashboard at any time. And you'll see that if I go back to my portfolios here, the tech portfolio is gone. Alright, so I recommend going onto the site yourself, signing up, checking out how your stocks do. You're welcome to play around here as long as you like. And if you have any questions, you can always check me out at arionflores.com. Scroll down to the bottom to reach out and contact me in any way. Hope to hear from you soon.